Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey, and for episode 2 of Healthy Oats Recipes, I'm sharing a quick and healthy oats breakfast smoothie recipe, ideal as a filling and protein-rich breakfast, especially on those busy mornings. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons old-fashioned rolled oats. Add in some water and allow it to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, the reason why I'm soaking oats is to help release the phytic acid content in oats. I have given detailed information about this in my previous oats recipes. Please do check it out. It's about 5 minutes now and the oats are nicely soaked. I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and add it onto a strainer. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup or 1 glass of water, a handful of any nuts of your choice. I'm using cashew nuts. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use soaked and peeled almonds or even 1 tablespoon roasted peanuts. 1 tablespoon flax seeds for omega-3 healthy fats, fiber and protein. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Add in the soaked and rinsed old-fashioned rolled oats. 1 tablespoon creamy peanut butter. If you like crunchy peanut butter, you can use that as well. I have already shared a detailed video on how to make peanut butter at home. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. I'm using 1 very ripe banana. Note that the banana is very ripe. The riper the banana, the more sweeter it will be. Now this is a local variety banana which is common in Kerala, known as Nendran. However, you can use any variety of banana you have at hand. For flavor, I'm adding in a small piece of cinnamon. And now I'm going to blend all this really well into a smoothie. Pour the thick and creamy smoothie onto a serving glass. I'm sprinkling some raw cacao nibs on top. This will give an amazing flavor and an added crunch. You can top it with roasted peanuts, cashew nuts, walnuts or any nut of your choice, or even drizzle little bit of peanut butter on top. And my super healthy peanut butter oat smoothie is ready. So guys, do try this healthy oatmeal smoothie and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.